the 747 has a hidden emergency exit in the cockpit? If there's an emergency, pilots don't use the main door. They have their own escape hatch right above the cockpit and... Yes, that's how pilots escape if the cockpit is blocked. Would you have guessed this on a 747 freighter? In case of fire or if the cockpit door is blocked, pilots can open this hatch and climb out using a rope ladder or escape reel system. Yes, this is how they'd evacuate directly from the flight deck of the